Come on. Okay, whatever. Hello, Luna here. So I was gonna do 2 of these, but the other one hasn't come in yet. If it comes in today, there's gonna be 2 videos today of me opening this mystery one and that mystery one. This is a mystery squishy. I covered the addresses because I'm smart. I'm using my head for once. And if you see me acting weird, I'm sorry. I'm going through like a sensory overload. Day 3. I love my life. So yeah, this is like a mystery squishy. I had a goat cheese, sorry. I don't know what it is, and we're just gonna see. Filming it from the bottom because the top is taped a lot. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's more than... Okay, squishies last. We got this little... What does it say? Thank you for shopping at UnicornBlueShop. Please, do you enjoy the items? Please let us know by providing a feedback/review on Etsy. Yeah, this is off Etsy. I got these off Etsy. What is this? Hang on. So if you want to go check out... Oh, no. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. If you want to go check them out, this is the person for this one. It's UnicornBlueShop. So in that little baggie, I got this little girl. That's all it is. It's not like a charm or anything. I don't know what this is about. I got this little rose. And then I got this little glittery heart. Okay. Let's see. And then all that's left is the squishy. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay then. Look at it. Oh, that's so cute. Alright. Let's see how squishy it is. Hell. It's squishier than the creeper. Which, if you watched my review of the Minecraft box, the creeper squishy I have, this doesn't smell like anything except for rubber, except for what it's made of. The creeper one, it's strawberry candy is what the smell is that I could not figure out. But this is cute. It's going to add. I'm now going to put this with the rest of my I am. Why are you stupid phone? No, stop it. I don't give a shit. But yeah, this is adorable. Those are a bit random, but look at this. The eye isn't even in the right place. Look at that. I just noticed some flaws. Look at its eyes. Its eyes are so derpy. They're not even in the right place. And the ear is screwed up. It's cute. And then just the random weird paw print on its butt. But other than the eyes being completely off place, this is pretty cute for a little kitty cat. I love cats, so this is adorable. It doesn't have a scent like the other one. This is going with all of my munchie, what are they called? Squishy mushies that I have. But yeah, so this will go with my squishy mushies, and I believe that is it. Yep, that is it. Overload. So later when I get home from pizza, so I think I mentioned this previously. I have a full-time 40-hour-a-week job at an accounting firm, and then this weekend I work at Pizza Hut. Next weekend I have off from Pizza Hut. Thank God. And then the weekend after that I work Saturday and Sunday. Then the weekend after that I have off. It's gonna be an every other weekend of Pizza Hut. But and also the only bonus to the powers is that they recharge fast. But yeah, I guess I could quickly. I don't think the mail has come, but I can check. I'm gonna see if the mail came and if I got that other mystery box I was waiting on, because both of them said they had mailed, so I'm just waiting on the other one. So I wish there was a way to pause the stream, but I can't. Pause the video. Terrytown, let's do us some amiibos, and then I am gonna call it after we do the amiibos, guys. Those trials took me a lot longer than I actually thought they were gonna do. Okay, yeah, no, it hasn't arrived yet. It'll be later today, so there might be, key phrases might, if I have enough mental capability. I might try and stream maybe some Minecraft tonight, maybe some Stardew Valley. We shall see. Like I said, I have off next weekend, so there will be more videos next weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. With the boyfriend will be over here for each of those days. The Thursday, I'm going to be baking cookies first. Then we're going to try and do a few videos and maybe even live stream a bit. I will not get my June Zag box for another two weeks, I want to say. I'd say about 2 more weeks, and then I'll get that. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I gotta upload this still. So yeah, if I get the other bag, I will make another video on me opening that. So yeah, I will let you guys know. I'm actually gonna look at something real quick, because I don't remember who it was, which person. If I ever did a mastery trial stream, I'd probably go until I give up. I don't believe it was you. Okay, so yeah, I'm still waiting on, I think it is, I'm waiting on one more. Oh, I should get that today, actually. So there will be another video up today of me opening up a cute collectibles mystery box. So yeah, Alright, I am gonna go. I will see you guys later for the next video, and then I will maybe see you guys tonight for a live stream of either Stardew Valley or Minecraft. But yeah. Bye.